we're going to be opening a mini brand. This is the first one. So satisfying. First one we're gonna open. I got the little tape. So cute. I got a chocolate cake. I got a tiny heart, show off your style, Post-its. I got a magazine. Last one. I got highlighters. I thought there was nails for a second.
Cute. Let me do like a little zoom in. That is so cute. Are you gonna open your second one or
Yes.
later? Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're like really hard to open. Whoa, this one has a lot. Okay. I think I could kind of see it. We got some orange juice.
Cute.
So cute. We got some chicken noodle soup. Like this one. This one's gonna be. We got some tape runner. That's so adorable. This one's a big one. Ooh, okay. We got some tomato sauce.
Mm-hmm.
So cute. Last and final mini brand. We've got some cute little chips. This is what we all got.
Let me see this one, the second one. Cute. Are you happy?
Yes.